Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I got this LED floodlight. It's a plug-in 20 watt. They had the 10 watt that they sponsored on Amazon, but I didn't know if the 10 watt was going to be enough because I had 10 watt in other kind of applications, and bright enough for a lot of people. I'm just being a butthead and I overdo things, honestly. The 10 watt would be bright enough. I was just thinking, hey, maybe I want to put this outside or something like that, and then I'm going to want the 20 watt to make sure it's brighter. So I just wanted to make sure I covered all the parameters by getting just one and using it, for a bunch of different things. Here's what the box looks like. The tag, that's what it looks like on there. This is some of the specs, if you guys want to see what that is. And that's it. So let's get this thing open right away. So open it up. That's the packaging that's on the top. So there's these three controls. I don't know what the controls are for because I just got this. So it does come wrapped up in, styrofoam. Here's kind of what the spotlight will look like. And this is supposed to be a 20 watt. So I'm guessing you just, unscrew this little thumb screw right here. And then you can move this up or down and position it where you're going to want the the motion sensor, which is pretty cool. They make it very easy. It comes with this cord. I'm not sure how long the cord is. It looks over 3 feet. It could be 4 feet, 5 feet. I'm not sure if it's said on the instructions. So I'm guessing it's about 4 feet. So it's about 4 feet, the cord. And this goes up and down. So this way you can mount it. These are the screws. These look like 1/4-inch size holes. So you're going to be using pretty big bolts or screws, whatever you're going to anchor these to. Just to let you know. So this is the LED spotlight. These are the instructions. If you guys want to give that a pause and just see those instructions, if you ever lose yours, I guess. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing. We'll be back, and you're gonna see it plugged in. We're gonna plan to use it inside the hallway where Denise comes in, because we have a battery operated one there, a rechargeable battery operated one, and it just dies within a couple days, and it's very annoying. So this time we got this plug-in one instead, and we're going to test it out. So we'll see how bright it is. It's 9 o'clock, so it is very dark out, so you guys will see actually how bright it is in the next few minutes. All right, so we'll be right back.